Our people, I greet you. Last night, Dauda, who is one of the outside leaders here in Igbo land, sent me disturbing pictures. In those pictures were cows, burnt cows with a vehicle. So I called him and asked him, why are you sending me this type of pictures? He told me that there were pictures of his cows that he was bringing into Igbo land, that the vehicle spoiled on the way, and some hoodlums who call themselves unknown gunmen came there and opened the vehicle for people to come and take their cows. And after doing that, they burnt the vehicle with some cows inside there. I was so disturbed. I didn't sleep last night. I invited him this morning with some outside leaders that are here to say something. That these people doing these things are not doing it on behalf of our people, Ndi-Igbo. These people are enemies of our people. They are doing this thing in order to cause crisis in Nigeria, in order to cause crisis for Ndi-Igbo in Nigeria. They know that our people are everywhere in the north and other parts of Nigeria. They want crisis so that our people will die, will be killed, and their properties will be destroyed in the north and other parts of Nigeria. When there was the unfortunate 90 days quick notice by Ariwa youth, I was the person that went to Ariwa house and made peace with the north. I remember I visited Professor Abdullahi in his house and we made peace. After some time, Professor Abdullahi himself came here and we all preached peace. Today, some people are finding the embers of war. Nobody wants to fight any war. Ndi-Igbo are not prepared for any war. I was the person that started the new Biafra in 1999, single-handedly. This is not the Biafra we are looking for. Those who are doing this today are not doing it on behalf of Biafrans. We will use only non-violence to achieve our purpose. Only non-violence shall we use to achieve Biafra. Some of these people, almost all of them, have been here for the past 20, 30 years. Some of them were born in Igbo land. Many Igbos are in the business of cattle rearing. There was a time I was bringing cattle to Lagos from the north as a lawyer. I was a legal practitioner, but I would carry money. That time there was nothing like ATM. I would carry money from Lagos. There's no part of north I don't know. Meduguri, Sokoto. I was going there. After buying money, I give money to the. After buying the cattle, I give money to the outside leaders. They will put it in the trailers and bring to me in Lagos. These cows, some of them are owned by Igbos. The cows that enter here in Igbo land, some of them are owned by Igbos. So many Igbos are into this business. These people doing these things hate Igbos. The other day they blindfolded a woman and shot the woman dead at Oji. A police woman. They blindfolded. I think you had it.
Yes, sorry.
A police woman. An Igbo police woman think she's from Otak or somewhere here in the world. They blindfolded her and shot her. Are they fighting for Igbos? The answer is no. They are fighting for themselves. They want to create crisis. Ndi-Igbo should condemn this. Any meaningful Igbo man or Igbo leader that does not condemn this is not a human being. I know many of you are afraid. Many of you are afraid. But not all of us will be afraid. We must condemn this act. If these people don't take time, there will be boys all year in Igbo land. What we call by boys all year is that when you start an evil doer, start doing evil for some time, people will come out and watch on him. Yes. These people who are calling themselves some non-gunmen, there will be boys all year against you. No matter you are carrying guns, time will reach when the youth will come out and chase you and club you to death because you are not serving their interests. You are not serving the interests of the Igbo man. You are thieves. You are armed robbers. If a truck spoils on the road, then they are looking for people to come and repair the truck. Then you come out and say you are no gunmen. You start looting, start killing. You burn the truck. And kill the drivers. And kill the drivers. Yes, I saw a dead body there. Yes, 2 dead bodies. 2 dead bodies. Are you acting on behalf of Ndi-Igbo? Ndi-Igbo, you mind yourselves. But somebody are you. Those who kill you are your saviors and Jesus Christ. But those who save you are the people you ridicule and insult. But whatever happens, while I'm making this video, some people will come and say, hey, no Igbo leader is talking. Everybody is quiet. I'm not quiet. The other day they came here to attack me. But my security men repelled them. If they are fighting for Ndi-Igbo, would they like to attack somebody like me? There is what we want to point. Personally want to point out. Anybody who said that somebody from outside is asking him to kill somebody, you are a fool. In law, we don't have vicarious liability in criminal matters. If you are above the age of 18 years, whatever you cause will be on your head. So if you say somebody from outside is asking you to kill somebody, it's on your head. It's not that person, because that person didn't force you to kill anybody or to steal from him. So you have no right to say somebody asked me to kill in the Biafra. That person is not, both you and that person are not fighting for Biafra. So whatever you do is on your head. It's not on behalf of anybody. And you're not fighting for Ndi-Igbo. So all outside leaders should know that these people are enemies of our people and are not fighting for us. Dauda, I don't have money. But I give you 1 million naira. Now, take to soften your loss. And I will beg all Igbo leaders, wherever you are, please support. Because you said, how many couples?
Full count. You become a which word about 400,000 each. 650. From 550. 2 pieces.
I know, a lot of money. So please, those.
Total today is about 22 million.
About 22 million. Yes. Please, I don't have money. But I will give my widow's mite. I'll give you 1 million naira now. Check. You go to the bank now. First bank and cash it. Please. Our people, you can give your account number. You give me your account number now, we call it. Our people will put money in that account. The people, the awareness is that it is. They want to bring problem to our people outside Igbo land. So all outside leaders will know that this is not that thing of Ndi-Igbo. Yes. To kill people.
We know.
You know this over is a hospitality, peaceful. Yes. But today people leave their own state, they come here and make trouble. So please, Dauda, I'll give you tape now.
So,
yes.
Before I make anything, I need to introduce some of my people.
Yes, you can do the introduction.
This is retired warrant officer Yahweh.
Yahweh.
Yes, he's also a business capital.
Yes.
And he's our second power.
Okay.
The chairman of the slaughters.
Okay.
From the West local government area. And this is our secretary, chairman of the cattle associations of Imo State.
Yes.
So, what really happened on Sunday, I was shocked. And because of that, I heard that I have to left where we came. It has been happening almost all the times. And I know those that are acting this things, they are not Biafras or government. And they want to cause confusions in Nigeria between the northern and the Igbo in the southeast. And our prayer will not go to work.
Yes.
So that's why yesterday I've already called Emeka Ofo and also Richie also to inform you before we will know the need. We cannot send our report to the northern areas, but we need to sit with the leaders of the Igbo.
Yes.
The next advice that will give to us. Because some of us we are born and brought up here. So we know we are here for peace, we are not here for crisis.
Okay. That's good.
So, sir, Chief, directly the founder of Moso, we are very happy the way you receive us and call us and sympathize with us.
See, my hand is even shaking because of the news.
I'm the owner of that truck.
Is that so?
Yes. Who from loading from within to over here. I know the revenue which have been generating for Imo State and Anambra. We pay revenue. Each of us from welcoming, we pay revenue to the state. At least to build the state. We make the state as ours. Like these two people here are all born here.
We never complain of the revenue, even for a day.
We never complain of the revenue. But recently things changed. Our suya sellers were killed at Olu, were killed at Umaka,
Banana Junction.
were killed at Ata Junction.
Yes.
2 were killed at Imsu Junction.
Now someone was beheaded.
We have never,
Imagine.
Yes.
You mean this?
Yes.
we never one day have something will
That's
happen.
the account number here.
In
So
Imo State.
announce it now. I'll announce it. So
We
I
have
think
never,
this
because we have been living peacefully here. This man, 30 years here in Imo State.
That is
And I'm head of the cattle rearers, commercial rearers. After feeding them, we sold them
Yes.
in the Imo State. And I work with the government closely. Anything that happens which I know to bring problem, I've been doing that. And I continue to assure the government that anything that happens between our people and this, we settle amicably without any stuff. But we are surprised to listen to that happening. How come people, we are not foodstuffs? So we are part of it, we are indigent.
Yes. No problem.
We take ourselves as indigent. We don't take ourselves as northerners now.
Yes.
But why she's setting up, probably about 22 million were lost, minus the vehicle. 2 people were killed. The driver and the guy who on top of taking care of the cows were killed. People, all they are packed the whole cows. Why? People, now they are calling us, we should go back. We tell our people we cannot live here because this is our house. We cannot leave the state, this is our place.
No, you are not leaving to any place.
So please, whosoever is doing that, please, should stop all this nonsense.
Yes.
Because we don't want anything to start happening in the north.
Yes. Nothing.
We don't want
it. We are not supporting them. So this is a check of 1 million.
Thank you.
That was very much. I plead with Igbo leaders, please pay some money into this account. This account belongs to Dauda. Name of the account is First Bank account. Name of the bank is First Bank. Name of the beneficiary is Dauda Jerry Adoyin. Dauda, D-A-U-D-A. J-E-R-R-Y. Adoyin, A-D-O-Y-I. Account number is 2004. Okay, 20044444 505 200 4444 505. First Bank. Another account number. That's the
Another one will be sent to you. Yes.
So please, I plead with Igbo leaders, please. We are talking about 40 million naira here, plus the bus or the truck, the trailer. Please, if I had that such money, I would have given you. But please, Igbo leaders, I've given this account number. Please pay something to this account. There are trouble that these elements are trying to bring on our head. We will not allow it happen. We will not allow it happen. The Biafra I'm asking for is a Biafra of non-violence.
Or peace.
Peace. The Biafra that Nigeria will exist side by side with. Not the one that Nigeria will be destroyed. No. The Biafra that is like India and Pakistan. Like Pakistan and Bangladesh. Please, all these people who are fomenting trouble, we are not fighting for Ndi-Igbo. You are fighting for yourself. Because our people live in the north and we don't want anything to happen to them. So, Dauda, please, thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. We will live in peace.
Thank you.
Okay.
We thank Chief very well, and we appreciate his sympathetic effort. This is showing you that, and deep inside our mind, we are not giving everybody a uniform look. Our parents told us that when they came to the East, they are being welcomed by people here. They accommodate them, they accept them, they stay with them. In fact, there is even intermarriage between them. You cannot tell me, you cannot point on me and tell me that I should leave Imo State. I will ask you why. It's impossible, because Imo State is Nigeria. And as a citizen of Nigeria, I have the right to live everywhere. We are saying it that there is nowhere in the world, historically, that success is being achieved with violence. You sit down, you negotiate. It's forbidden if you have religion to split blood, to create havoc, to create menace, and to even poison the mind of people there and then, creating segregation, bringing in tribalism, and paving way for every evil to take place. We appreciate his effort, and we pray our Creator will crown his efforts with success. We are repeating it. This is to show you that those people doing this, perpetrating this evil, they are not even real evils. Because Imo State is a state that is having a historical name of peace. And we will still appreciate it. We will not forget. We thank him very well. We thank well-wishers and meaningful Igbo men who sympathize with us. In fact, when this thing happened, even along the axis of that village, other people are over there now helping us to recover our cattle. Other people shelter our brothers. Some of them are being shot with gun. Somebody sheltered them, and he even gave them address that if you get to where your people are, please call me so that I will know you are at home. We thank them very well. This is the spirit of one Nigeria. We thank everybody very well, and long live Nigeria, long live Imo State. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's all right. It's okay.